At no point in time, I'm not saying it because he's my colleague. Each one of us have reached this august house because of immense work and trial. We've put a lot of efforts to come here. Let us not do anything to undermine one another. If anything, we answer each other's question. You ask me a question, I should answer you. He asks you a question, you also will have to answer it. Balak, it doesn't matter you call him chokra colloquially or Balak in a nice Sanskritized way. He is still an honorable MP. He is still an honorable MP and a still honorable, my colleague, Minister of State. Undermine na karo. This is the house which has seen eminent people. You have that wonderful picture of Mavlankar there. Aise wonderful, I too will thank God every day. Look at my fate. I sit in this house which have seen eminent people. I can't even list out their names. We are all here because we have some strength. We have tried. We have worked. We have earned it. And you go about saying, Balak Chokra, what are they, Ranjan Chaudhary? प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़ करके, क्योंकि यो ऑपोजिशन के लीडर हैं, you represent everybody on the other side of the aisle. No, you will talk. Let me finish. Because you give me a lot of respect. And I want to pay that respect back to you. You have come there. You have come there to be the opposition party leader of a very old party of this country. That opposition party should have. I've heard opposition tell us, oh, you should have large heart. You should be able to take a lot of maturity. You were not even seen in some of the movements of the country. If you've come that far, Adhir Ranjan ji, it's simply great. You've reached there. Look at the seat you're occupying. What an honor. And from that position, please do not call anybody here who's reached there purely because of his own efforts. So I would appeal to you to honorably tell the chair to please withdraw that comment from the records. Not, मेरा हिंदी, आपका हिंदी जैसे मेरा हिंदी भी अच्छा नहीं है. फिर भी मैं बोल रही हूँ. माननीय स्पीकर जी, प्लीज क्षमा करिए, गलत बोल रहे हैं तो आपको शोभा नहीं देते आदिर रंजन जी. लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन को शोभा नहीं देते एक मिनिस्टर को चोकरा करना. प्लीज आप ही अपील करो, उसको हटा दो. सर, विद दैट सेड, मैं पीएम केयर्स के विषय में आई वांट टू से अ फ्यू थिंग्स इन इंग्लिश. एंड आई वुड हैव थॉट, considering that Prime Minister's National Relief Fund has been so strongly supported by everybody there, the leader of the opposition would have answered Honorable MOS's words, the questions that he asked. I would actually want you all to answer those questions. Did the money go? Did the money go to various different charity associations? Or anybody was given the money from there? Transparency? You're asking for transparency? Last 50 years at least, when democracy in India was maturing, I would think democracy in India is in its DNA. From our earlier ancestors, we've all been democratic. Every one of our kings have shown democracy. Whether you look at Nalanda, you look at anything else, Kanchi, or anywhere else in the south, anywhere else in west, democracy was practiced in this country from very, very ancient times. But in this form, in this parliament's form, transparency is a virtue, and I'm glad you're asking for it. And if PM in 1948 thought it fit to appoint the president of the Congress party as one of the members, which is an unregistered, I guess, a trust. Till today, you didn't bother to ask it to be registered. I don't understand why. You should have actually asked, hey, we are running this trust, why didn't you have it registered? Register it. No, not one voice in that party. It took 23 MPs to write a letter now. after 50 years. But now you didn't ask for registration. Then that is one point on which I wish to say to the opposition benches, transparency like charity, transparency should start from home. Get your house to order. Register your society. You didn't. Then transparency. Only Congress के president permanently. Johnson was there. उनका अध्यक्ष को भी डाल देते. ट्रांसपेरेंसी चाहिए तो हमारे जनसंघ की वरिष्ठ नेता को उसमें डाल देते हैं. श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी जी को डाल देते थे. नहीं, सोशलिस्ट कितने सारे वरिष्ठ सोशलिस्ट थे. राम मनोहर लोहिया जी को डाल देते थे. ट्रांसपेरेंसी वो होता है, not transparency with just my Congress president. No, that's not transparency, Congress party. Then, 1 minute, Adir ji, I will patiently hear you. You have to answer us. If you are really keen on getting answers from us, I'm giving you answer on everyone comparatively. But he did ask you, honorable member who's my colleague MOS, who's in this house long before I even come into this house. 4 times before me he's been here. So don't take him lightly. He's asked you questions. I would want you to answer it, because that will give more power to your own questions, if you ask me. You answer yours first before asking the question to us. Now I'll go to the point on which I'll compare as things stand today. Registration, PM CARES Fund is registered. PM National Relief Fund not registered. Transparency, eh? Transparency. Second, I'm coming, each one. You're always impatient, Professor. You're always impatient, Professor. You're always impatient. Listen to the answer. Next. No combating. You called me names. You've twisted my statements. You've gone out to give untruth about me. So you should have the thick skin to hear this, at least from a woman. From a woman. Sir, objectives, if I have to read it, both are similar. I want to give the advantage to PM National Relief Fund as much I will give an advantage to PM CARES Fund. Objective is to deal with any kind of emergency or distress situation like the one posed by COVID, PM CARES Fund. Funds, PM National Relief Fund. Funds is to be utilized for various schemes announced by the PM. Funds are also utilized for medical assistance, floods, droughts, terrorist violence, etc. In spite of that, there was a question which Honorable MOS asked you. Floods in 5-6 states of the country. But no, don't give it away, because Jawaharlal Nehru Museum might get less money. Is that true or not? Deny if it's not true, but deny. Don't remain quiet. That's not leader of the opposition. Particularly, that's not leader of the opposition of a whole party. That's not, particularly if you're asking for transparency. Answer his questions. Answer his questions, or else you cannot have the right to ask questions of us. आप जवाब दो, नहीं तो मुझे प्रश्न ही सुनना नहीं चाहिए आपसे. अगर जवाब नहीं मिलता, प्रश्न पूछने का अधिकार आपको नहीं है. अगर जवाब इन सारे प्रश्नों, अनुराग ठाकुर जी से जितने भी प्रश्न पूछा गया, उसका अगर जवाब आपसे नहीं मिलता, आपको अधिकार नहीं है पीएम केयर्स फंड के ऊपर एक प्रश्न भी पूछने का. नेक्स्ट, ऑडिट. नहीं, Danish जी, hold on, I'll give you a lot of answer. नहीं, I'm giving you answer, na. I'm giving you comparison, na. I'm giving answers for every one of the questions each one of you all have raised on PM CARES, sir. No, don't worry, don't support them. They are in a mess. Don't support them. Professor Saugata Roy. If I finished off one, you'll jump to the other. There is a beautiful Tamil saying. You know, you sit on a platform, and if somebody questions this, you'll move. Okay, I'll move from this, but I'll go to the next one. What about that? In English, they say, keep changing the milepost. No, I've addressed this, go to the next. I've addressed that, go to the third. We know your technique. Yeah, you are more refined in English, right? That is why. Very good. Audit. दोनों का ऑडिट आज SARC and associates कर रहे हैं, दोनों का. So where is your worry about the transparency bit? But you should be worried because after the audit, जैसे MOS ने बताया, वेबसाइट में ऑडिटेड अकाउंट्स डाला रखा है, मगर PM नेशनल रिलीफ फंड में पिछले कितने सालों से मीटिंग तक ही नहीं हुआ ना. Since 1985 एक सिटिंग मीटिंग तक नहीं हुआ. जरा पब्लिक फंड है, इसीलिए उनसे भी पूछा करो ना. प्लीज होल्ड द मीटिंग, प्लीज पुट अप द ऑडिटेड अकाउंट्स, पुट इट इन द वेबसाइट, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कॉपीज टू ऑल द MPs. वो भी करिए ना, इन द नेम ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. नेक्स्ट, एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ RTI. RTI के ऊपर इतना लगाव है, इसमें हिंदी राइट, लगाव राइट. नॉट एप्लीकेबल, PM cares का not applicable as not a public authority substantially funded by the government. है ना? What is it for PM National Relief Fund? Not applicable as not a public authority substantially funded by the government. इन दोनों में status on RTI similar है, मगर आपका गुस्सा RTI के ऊपर हमारे ऊपर ही लगता है, आपके ऊपर नहीं, क्योंकि उधर डर है. RTI उधर प्रश्न पूछने में आपको डर लगता है, क्योंकि 23 लेटर, 23 सिग्नेटरी के साथ लेटर का ही फेट आपको मालूम है. RTI डालो, क्या होगा पता नहीं, इसीलिए यू वेरी स्कैर्ड. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. देन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, दोनों का on an honorary basis, joint secretary administration of the PMO used to do it. दोनों को एक ही है. But where is the big difference? It is in the management. The management of the Prime Minister's PM Cares Fund is Prime Minister is the ex officio, and like the way MO is said, every other trustee is there by virtue of the posts that they're holding. Home Minister, Defense Minister, Finance Minister, and nominated ex officio trustees who are eminent persons from field of science and law and whatever. And they together sit and take a milepost shift करने वाले काम. छोड़ो जी, छोड़ो. Management and decision making goes on record with regularly held meeting and recorded minutes. Whereas what is the management of PM National Relief Fund? Managing committee consists of Prime Minister, President of the Indian National Congress, only party. And that only party's president will be there. Transparency is achieved. इस देश में कितने पार्टियां हैं भाई साहब? माननीय स्पीकर जी, हजारों की संख्या में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इस देश में है. सबको लगाओ. सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी का क्या अहमियत है कि उनको ही जीवन भर, डायनास्टी भर उधर रहेंगे? ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी का नमूना है क्या? और देन फाइनली टैक्स डिडक्शन के ऊपर भी, हाउ डिड इनकम टैक्स कंसेशन गेट गिवन? बोथ ऑफ देम हैव टैक्स डिडक्शन. ATG लागू दोनों का है. Donations are eligible for 100% deduction under Section 80G for PM Cares. Donations are eligible for 100% deduction under Section 80G for the PM National Relief Fund. वो क्यों दर्द नहीं देता? सिर्फ ये वाला दर्द देता है. क्यों? वो क्यों नहीं बोलते हो आप लोग? हमें भी है ATG, बोलो, जवाब दो इनका प्रश्न के लिए ना. क्योंकि जनता का मेमोरी कम है, वो याद नहीं रखेंगे. इसको याद रखेंगे गरम गरम गरम. नहीं, हम सुनकर बैठने वाले लोग नहीं है. पूछेंगे आपसे. टैक्स एग्जेम्पशन टू फंड्स, income tax exemption. Income of the fund is exempt from income tax of the fund. That is applicable equally for the PM National Relief Fund. एंड लास्टली जिसके ऊपर सबको पेट में दर्द होता है, राइट? CSR. हाँ, जहां भी योर पेट माइट बी इन योर दर्द सर, सो इट विल बर्न देयर.
Good one.
सो नॉर्मली पेट में दर्द बोलते हैं. अगर आपके पेट आपके सर्द में है तो आई डोंट नो. CSR. Donations by companies classified as CSR for the purposes of Companies Act 2013 applicable to PM CARES Fund, as much as donations by companies classified as CSR for the purposes of Companies Act 2013 applicable to PM National Relief Fund. पर क्यों है जी इतना चिल्लाना? इसीलिए कि only one dynasty led party finds a place